our environment. We are not aware of it. Actually, we are moving toward the way of destruction of environment with our daily activities like burning of stubble, garbage, wastage of water, excess use of automobiles. We are moving totally towards way and destruction of it. After that, by its result, what are its results? Its results are that it brings cyclones, tsunamis, acid rain, etc. Also, level of carbon dioxide is rising, which leads to acid rain. Also, the beauty of our monuments is also reducing. For example, one of our wonder, Taj Mahal, has lost its beauty due to pollution. So, it will put our future into dark. We have to take care about our environment. Actually, I'm totally worried about our future.
Don't panic, I am gonna tell you. As we know that we are dependent on our environment for every kind of our basic needs that are necessary for individuals' daily life. Thus, we are dependent on the environment for all kind of things that are necessary in life. So, by getting these resources, we have to protect them. So, we should make efforts to protect that resources. Being because no environment means no life. So, being a citizens, we should have to take some small steps to save our environments, like we should reduce the use of fossil fuels by choosing an option to walk and by using the public transports. We should use the CNG instead of the petroleum and LPG. We should save trees and we should plant more and more trees. We should don't waste paper. We should use the e-books and e-papers. We should reduce the use of the air conditioners and the refrigerators because they release the chlorofluorocarbons which are too harmful for us. We should use the jute and cloth bags instead of the plastic bags. We should reduce the use of the non-renewable resources and use them in a proper way. We should reduce the use of the water because we does not want to waste the water because it is only a life source. And the main concept is that we should apply 3 R's that are the mainly reduce, recycle and reuse. So by these efforts we get the main efforts to protect our environment, and our government also doing innovative various efforts to save our environment.
Actually, keeping in mind all the problems related to our environment, our school is also taking up various initiatives to save our environment. For example, our school is planting more and more trees on every occasion in our school. And moreover, our school provides a lot of trees to parents on every PTM. Our school recently organized a waste material competition in which students had do a brilliant performance and tells that how can we reuse and recycle other things which are non-biodegradable. And also our school conduct a visit to the decomposer plant where we learn that how can we convert the waste into the useful products and how can we make fertilizers from it. On the last Gurpurb, our school family also pledged to plant 550 trees within this year. So I think this goal of our school can be achieved within this year. And our school also launched a very brilliant scheme that is there are a lot of farmer parents in our school. That's why our school is providing various steps that how can we prevent the stubble burning. School also said that if students parents who are farmers follow these schemes, then the school provide them concession in the fees and also honored on the upcoming parents meetings and also on annual functions. So I think these are the great achievements which our school taken, and because of these achievements our school got first rank in the area.
Wow, that's amazing. It's really a moment of proud for all of us. So guys, let's celebrate it by clap together.